Hey you guys, welcome to Crazy Quilting Crafts with SEK. The name of this series is SE Makes Show and Tell. I wanted to bring this beautiful pattern to you guys in this quilting method that was created by, it's actually called Braided Twist, and it's by Cheryl Phillips. This is a wonderful pattern and book to have in your stash. When I tell you guys, it's been like 2 years that I've been trying to get to this project, and I finally did, and I actually binged on it, and I made 8. 4 has already been given away, you guys. So if you are interested in learning how to make the braided twist, you can actually go online and look up Braided Twist Pattern by Cheryl Phillips, and you should be able to access it right away. Also, there's plenty of tutorials on YouTube that show you how to do this runner, and hopefully I will get to that as well. But a lot of times when I make things, I make them in the spare of the moment. It's not planned, so that's why sometimes I don't bring you guys tutorials, because I'm learning as well. But I would say this is intermediate. If you are a beginner quilter and you are good with directions, you probably could grasp this really well. I think when I first did my first one, I was able to grasp it, but I did watch videos a couple of times. So this is a very precise, intricate pattern. You have to follow the directions. You don't want to miss any steps. You want to always double check on your placement. Placement of your fabric cuts are very, very important. So these are 4 of the runners that I did make. So you guys, when you order your braided twisted booklet with the patterns in it, you will get this tool, and I think you guys can see it. You will get this tool that gives you this effect of how to make these arches in your cuts. Very neat technique. It's so pretty cool. I'm telling you guys, you will love doing this. So these are the fabrics that I used in these 4 that I made, and I think I had made 2 of these. I think I did 3 of these, and 2 of these. I think that's how I did it, something like that. But I did wind up with like 8 or 9. So again, if you are interested in it, Braided Twist by Cheryl Phillips. They have a tutorial on this, as well as Shabby Fabrics. And I think Shabby Fabric actually have kits. I didn't buy kits to do this. I just actually matched up my fabrics and chose them myself, and it came out pretty good. So all right, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this show and tell of SE Makes, and hopefully I will get to a tutorial on how to do these as well. Just give me a minute, you guys. All right, this is SEK, and I will see you guys on the next video. Happy crafting. Peace.